with a charge off amount of $4,000. So many customers told me when they were searching for a credit repair service, they came across so many crazy people online stating that they can fix their credit in 24 hours. They can fix their credit if they paid thousands of dollars up front. So I'm going to put myself in my customer shoes and see exactly if some of these situations are actually true and call some of these people that are advertising all of these fake scams on the internet. Hello, how you doing? I'm calling to get some information on your credit service. Do you assist people with repossessions?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Somebody sent me, I think it was one of your IG posts or maybe your Facebook or something like that a few days ago, but I just been so busy. I have a repossession on there. The balance is $13,000, and I didn't pay it. It was during COVID. In 2021, I just had to surrender it. I did a voluntarily repossession. And I saw your post that says you can get everything swept off in 24 hours or a week or whatever it was. Is that still a special that you're offering?
Yeah, it just costs more.
Okay.
So it's like now for the regular removal is $650 each repossession.
Okay.
Now for me to go in and remove it out fast, it's like 2 times that because I have to do a lot of work. But if you just go in regular, I can have it off. How soon you need it off?
I mean, I was trying to use my credit to get a house before the spring, or I got some. Yeah, I mean, I do got some money saved up. So I mean, if you do have a fast option, I don't mind paying.
Okay.
Yeah, how much is it for the fast one?
It's $650 each repossession.
Okay.
But to come out faster is like 2 times that price.
Okay, so what's that? 1300?
Let me see. Okay, so is it on each credit bureau?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so it'll be that. How soon are you looking to start?
Probably. What is this? Monday. I get paid on Friday. After the holiday. So I mean, yeah.
How I can do it. Let me see. So $650. So if it's on all 3, that means it's $1950 for one. So it's on all 3 credit bureaus.
Okay. So right at 2,000.
Right. You could do a payment plan also if you need to.
Okay. And at 2,000, that's needed to start it and send everything off.
No, I mean, like, that's what I'm saying. Like, if you want to start today, I can work with you on a payment plan.
Okay.
If you want to go ahead and get started and get in the system and start deleting.
Yeah. No, I mean,
I can't do a payment plan.
No, I'm fine with giving you your money. I was just making sure because when I get paid, I do get paid a good little bit later this week. I was just saying, whenever I do start, I give you the 2,000, then you can go ahead and start everything.
Oh yeah, I'll start it right away.
Okay. And if I pay the 2,000 for your fast fix, how fast do you think that can be removed?
See, that's just look. That's for one. So it's $650 each credit bureau.
Okay.
It's $650 for experience because see, some people send in dispute letters. I don't send in dispute letters. Doing regular dispute letters, they can come back on your credit.
Yeah.
So I go in and I sweep through each credit bureau. So I go in and fight through Experian alone. I fight through Equifax alone. I fight through TransUnion alone.
Oh, okay. So you don't mail the documents or letters or anything.
I don't know. That's what it takes so long. I have a system. I update every 6 months. I go in and pay and update every 6 months. And that's how I work with my removals. I do sweeps. Because the letters, I mean, it's just like anybody could do a letter.
Yeah.
And it's not like a guarantee.
Right.
Stay off. So I do more out of credit sweep.
Yeah. So working on all 3 of the reports, cause it's on Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian. How fast do you think the first one of the bureaus may come off? You think?
Well, it just depends on how. If you go regular, like 45 to 50 days, like.
Oh, okay.
If you pay the extra fees, it can come on faster.
Yeah, well, I'm down to pay because I was just seeing like what's that I mean, I ain't trying to. I mean, shoot, if it can come off that fast, yeah, I'll use my credit. But what do you think I'll qualify? Like, do the repossessions work with the 24-hour fix thing you were talking about?
They do. I can have it out within the same week. Because I have to go in and work, and it have to be during the beginning of the week.
Okay.
So today is what, today. Oh yeah, today Monday. So yeah, it usually be like you have to start it within the beginning of the week.
Okay. Yeah.
Because you know how the weekend come along and within the end of the week. But
Okay.
give me 1 second. I'm texting a customer.
Okay.
I'm sorry. Okay, I'm back. I'm sorry. So
Yeah.
so you have to start within the beginning of the week. So it's up to you. Like if you did a payment plan and you started with the beginning of the week, I mean you will still be processed in the system, and then you can pay the remainder when you get paid or however. It's up to however you want to.
I got it. Yes, ma'am.
If you're not trying to start at the end of the week.
Okay. Yeah, I tried a service before, and I was paying. I think they wanted me to send the stuff to the people.
Yeah, that's not right. You don't want that. That's a hassle.
Yeah, yeah.
Letters.
I was about to say, because I just want to make sure, if I sign up, you can take care of everything for me.
Yeah, I'll take care of everything for you.
Okay.
I do credit sweep. It's a lot different than just doing
The credit repair.
Yeah.
Okay.
I do sweep.
What's the? I wonder what the difference is. Like, what? How?
It's a lot different.
Yeah. So what's the sweep like?
You're going in the system. You're going in the system and not even negotiating with the credit or the bureau. And, when you negotiate and you gotta wait. So it's a lot different when you're doing a sweep. And
Okay.
it comes off fast.
Yep, I see. Yeah, so it really don't matter what the credit bureaus or the banks say. I mean, I guess the system will just sweep it off.
Right. Because I don't negotiate with them.
Right. Okay. Well, I tell you what. Can I text you on this number?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. I'm gonna text you on Friday. Are you gonna be open, or are you gonna take off to Monday for the holiday?
No, I have employees. I'm open 24 hours. I have a 24-hour service.
Oh, okay, 24 hours. Okay, cool. Well, let me reach out to you when I get paid, and then I'm gonna have 2,000 set aside, and I can just pay you that.
Okay, that's fine.
All right. Well, I'll talk to you on Friday. Okay.
Okay. Have a blessed day. Thanks for calling.
Thank you. Bye. So again, didn't get my phone number, didn't even get my name, didn't get any other information, and this lady is charging $2,000 up front. She's charging $650 for each item that is deleted on each bureau. Bruh, talk about the violations with this. And then she's stating, oh, I don't send letters. Then how are you sending in disputes to the credit bureaus? How are they getting these challenges if you're not sending letters? Like, come on now. And then she said that it doesn't matter what the banks say or what the credit bureau says. Like, yes, it does. The credit bureaus only delete negative items if they're inaccurate, if they're incomplete, if there's any sort of violation or they can't be verified. And then something else, if the creditors don't respond in 30 days, the bureaus must remove that information from your credit report. So the fact that this lady is sitting here just telling people, oh, it don't matter what they say, or it don't matter, we don't negotiate, anything we send in, it gets deleted instantly. And I'm like, bro, I'm like, man, but there's people who's out there, they're gonna fall for getting this stuff deleted in 24 hours or 1 week or whatever crazy time frame that she gave. I mean, the upfront fees, that's a violation. 24-hour fix, that's a violation. I'm saying that anything and everything can be removed. That's look, at this point, it's not even this is I can't even talk right now. There's so many violations with these online scams, and people fall for this. Sadly, companies like Sturgis Credit Repair, when we tell you, hey, this isn't going to be an overnight fix, they don't want to hear that. They want to see, Joe Blow on TikTok talking about they can make you go from a 400 to a 700 in a week. I got your phone number from a friend of mine. He screenshot your post. Are you still helping with credit?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I think it was the sweep. I'm going to tell you a little bit about my situation. I'm not going to take too much of your time. I know you're probably busy. I have one repossession from 2021, 22, something like that. And then I have a Discover credit card. I think I ran up the balance of like $4,000, and this is back in 2020 during COVID, and I just let it go, and it's still on my credit with a charge-off amount of $4,000. So one credit card and then one repo. Is that something that you can sweep off? Is that things you work on?
Yes.
Okay.
I remove everything. Everything that stop your credit from going up, whether it's eviction, whether it's repossession, credit cards, student loans, medical bills. I remove everything.
Okay.
And I also send you tips on how to build it.
Okay.
I send you like credit building apps on how to build your credit.
Okay. For the credit sweep, how much is it?
Okay.
So you say it was 350? Oh, 300. Okay. And
Okay, so right now I have a, yeah, right.
now I was just gonna ask how long it takes for you to sweep everything off.
They could come off within a week or two, but I always tell people 45 to 60 days, depending on the borough.
Oh, okay. The borough. Okay. Yeah. Because I'm trying to buy a car. Yeah, I'm trying to buy a car by the springtime. So, yeah, I mean, that's good. If it can come on within a week, that's even better. And the 300, I pay that to get started up front.
Yes.
Okay, gotcha. So what exactly? So is it something that? Oh, go ahead.
Go ahead.
No, I was gonna ask.
You go ahead.
Okay, for me to get started, once I pay the 300, do you take care of everything, or do I need to do anything?
No, I take care of everything. I just need you to sign up for that. I'm gonna send you. Okay, once you send me your money, I send you the credit sweep pamphlet. And on that pamphlet, it's gonna have everything I need on there. So
Okay.
all I'm gonna need you to do is just sign up for like TransUnion, Experian, Equifax, and then send me over the login, the password, and the username, and then I go in and I start sweeping it off.
Okay. All right.
If you want to, if you're ready to pay now, I can jump on yours tomorrow.
Okay,
In the
tomorrow.
morning.
Okay.
I see that you trying to get it, yeah.
Yeah.
I see you trying to get you a car and stuff, and that's crazy because I just got my car. I just got a car after cleaning my credit.
Okay. Yeah. I can probably pay the 300. Probably after the new year. I didn't know I had to pay up front. But give me about a week. I'm gonna save your number, and then when I get paid next week, I think I want to go ahead and get started.
Okay, or I have like a payment plan where you pay half up front, and then within a week or two, you have to pay the other half and to get everything wiped off.
Okay.
The 150 you send is going to start the process, meaning I'm going to start, writing the boroughs, writing them, letting them know, hey, this is not mine. I need it off my credit report. And then once you send your other 150, I submit the letters, and they pull them off instantly.
Okay. And they just take it off instantly, and it don't matter if it's a repo.
No.
Okay.
No,
All right.
No. Long as you don't have. Okay. Yeah. No. It doesn't matter.
Okay. Well, that sounds good to me. Yeah, I tell you what, let me go ahead and take care of this holiday that's coming up this weekend before I start spending some money.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna save your number, and can I just text you next week?
Sure. No problem.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna do that. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Thanks for giving me a call. Have a good evening.
You too. Bye. Wow. Didn't get my name. Didn't get my phone number. didn't get any other information. Instead of saying credit bureau, she was saying credit bureau. Or actually, she was just saying the boroughs. Man, wow. So many violations with that. One, you're violating the Credit Repair Organizations Act. You're charging upfront fees. You're promising that every single thing can be deleted. You're promising that the repossessions can be deleted. I think she said this stuff can be deleted as fast as a week, and then she tripled down and said, oh, well, it can take 30 to 60 days or whatever the case is. So, man, I feel bad for the consumers that's actually falling for this. And, you know, I kind of told her that I didn't have the $300 up front. And she was like, oh, no, I'm going to split it up. You know, pay $150 now, pay $150 later. I'm like, man, so many violations with this. And it's almost like I feel embarrassed to even be in the credit repair industry because there's services like this. You know, I don't want to speak down on someone that's trying or at least want to do something for themselves. But, man, you got babies crying in the background, your phone's cutting out. I don't even know your name. Like, man, she didn't give me any information. So, you know, if that was a regular customer who's calling, you know, going from person to person, seeing who got the cheapest price, they're not even going to know how to get in contact with this lady ever again, which is a good thing, obviously. But, man, it's like, wow, it's just mind blown, man. I seen your phone number online. Are you still helping with credit sweeps?
Yeah, I do credit repair, yes.
Okay. How much are your services?
It depends. I currently provide you analysis. I go over everything on the credit report to see what needs to be updated, removed. Also the credit report, and then at that time I'll provide you pricing. I currently do have some specials. If you don't have bankruptcy, eviction, or repossession.
Okay.
But in the event that you do, I still do have programs in place for that.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, I have two repossessions that's on my credit. One is like 3 years old. I believe the other one's probably 6 years or something like that. I believe they fall off after 7 years. But I was more curious on your credit sweeps. Is it something that can be fixed in a fast amount of time, or how does that work?
So I typically don't ask or advise that there's a fast turnaround time. I do have a more aggressive way of updating and removing items off of the credit report, including using CSPB and dispute box. However, the thing is, I don't want to inform you that I can remove something off of the credit report fast and then it comes back on the credit report.
Okay. Yeah, I think someone shared your post with me. Maybe it was an older post or something like that, but it said you did credit sweeps, and I was just trying to get some pricing, and maybe this could be something that you could do in probably under a month, or, you know, I'm not sure what your time frame is on something like that. Or credit sweeps something that you do, or how does that work?
So again, there's a different method of how to do the credit sweeps. But I try to, my method it works just as effectively as the credit sweep. But I don't really like using the sweet word. Again, I don't want to do anything for the credit and something comes back on the credit or it's not moved in a timely manner. However, I can get items removed off of the credit report within less than 30 days. Like I have a client now, I'll tell you when I submitted her stuff. Oh,
okay. And the repos that I have, you sure you can get those off in under 30 days?
If I can look at it and tell you, now some repos take longer than others. Just me being honest and transparent with you. I don't want to tell you that I can remove that information and I can't. Like one might remove and then the other one don't. You know what I'm saying? Right.
Okay. And what is your pricing for someone like me? I have one repo that's 3 years and another one that's about to fall off. I think that may be the only thing that's on there. I mean, I haven't been able to get approved for nothing else since the repossession's been on there. You know, so for those two auto accounts, what are pricing, you know, for you?
considering you have the 2 repossessions, it'll be $697.
Okay.
Now, I can remove all of the derogatory items off of the credit report, update the late payments, charge-offs, collections, the repossessions. If you have any personal identifiers, meaning more than one name, more address, or employer listed, I remove all of that information. Basically, bringing the credit profile up to standard so that it can be approved for something.
Okay.
Like I removed this young lady. I submitted all of her stuff December 22nd, and she texted me today and showed me a whole bunch of she showed me like 5 pages of deletions.
Oh wow.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. She showed me 7 pages that she got stuff deleted. So, but I try not to tell people that because I don't want you saying like, "Hey, you told me it'll be done in a week," and I still have the stuff on there.
Yep, I see. And the $697, I believe, is that due up front whenever I sign up?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Well, I will keep you written down. I have maybe 2 more people to call, and I think you may be the cheapest that I saw that I've heard from so far. So, is this a good number that I can call you back at?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much. Take it easy.
Thank you.
Yeah, you got a few violations going on in that.
Sturgis Credit Repair. Sturgis Credit Repair. If you want a new house, call us. If you need